To include millets in your diet. We know millets are under the spotlight because they are healthy, they are environmental friendly and climate resistant. The United Nations has declared the year 2023 as a year of millets. If you are someone who is yet to start your millet journey, then here are a few ways in which you can include millets in your diet. First, replace your wheat roti with a jowar roti. Jowar flour is easy to digest and it has an adaptive taste. Second, you can replace rice with little millet, also known as kutki. Little millet has higher protein, iron and dietary fiber as compared to rice. It is easy to cook little millet as you can just cook it the way you cook rice. Just remember the preparation before cooking little millet. Third and the most important point is, if you haven't introduced millets in your diet, don't replace all your meals with millets. Start gradual. Start with 1 millet at a time. Include 2 to 3 millet meals a week, and then you can gradually increase the frequency. Remember, millets are healthy, gluten-free alternatives to wheat and rice. Millets were the superfoods of our ancestors and they are the superfoods of our future. So if you're